Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help give you the encouragement and support you need to keep going when you feel like giving up. It's okay to feel like giving up. This is a normal part of the process of moving towards your greater purpose and higher vision. You will face obstacles. Some will be external, but many more will be internal. Barriers of belief that have built up in your mind throughout your journey. This meditation will help you move past the illusion of these obstacles so that you can move forward in a positive way, no matter how discouraged you feel or how much you feel like quitting. I'm Carolyn, spiritual life coach, and this channel is all about helping empaths and sensitives still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday, there is no tomorrow, there is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable in a seated position, and whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Bring your awareness to your breathing, gently observing your inhale and your exhale. Invite your body to relax more and more, deeper and deeper. As you inhale and exhale with greater and greater awareness. Let each passing breath take you deeper into your awareness. Let your awareness move gently along with your inhale and move gently alongside your exhale. Like a companion that walks with you but not for you. A companion wants to be with you. A companion enjoys being with you. Let your awareness be with you. Be all the way with you. You cannot force awareness. Force erodes the very essence of awareness. Instead, let awareness be exactly what it is: light, soft, gentle, and open. Let awareness's lightness and gentleness invite its companion, your breath, to soften alongside it. No force, no effort, just softness. And let your breath's companion, the body, also receive the invitation to soften and relax and open as well. Let awareness tenderly join hands with your breath and with your body, a beautiful trio. Neither your breath, nor your awareness, nor your body needs any nudge or motivation or convincing or cheerleading to keep going. Notice how they just keep going. It's not a question. There is no doubt. There is no burden to bear and no barrier to face. Just keep going. With this energy of softness in your body, flowing rhythm with your breath, and the gentleness of your awareness, allow yourself to follow the invitation to keep going without effort. Keep flowing without forcing, and keep opening without resisting. Keep going. Life wants to move, expand, shift, grow. It is the way of things. Allow it. Allow yourself to participate in life's natural movement. You are not stuck. Allow life to carry you. Just allow it. And take a deep, cleansing breath of allowance here, and a slow exhale of letting go. Dropping any resistance. Spend some time here exploring the feeling, allowing the sensation of softness and flow and ease to permeate through your body and through your mind. Let your body and your breath and your awareness take good care of you. And then whenever you are ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you shift through any feelings of stuckness or thoughts of giving up, and that you feel lighter and more inspired to keep going. Your dreams are calling to you for a reason. Listen to them. Put one foot in front of the other and keep going. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description below. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really helps me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.